You can erase anything from a photo or expand it using just your phone, and it's completely free. Let me show you how to do it with Hypic AI, a powerful app that uses AI to edit your images in seconds. First, let's quickly go through the tools in the Hypic AI app. Then we'll move on to expanding an image. You'll see just how easy it is to erase objects or extend photos with a few simple steps. Let's dive in. First, click on Adjust, then move to Crop and select Custom. After that, choose AI Expand. Here, you can pick the ratio you want, or simply place the image where you'd like it using your fingers. You can also add anything specific if you want, but it's not necessary. I was really amazed the first time I used this option. I'm not sure how long this app will stay free. Hypic is owned by ByteDance, the same company behind TikTok and CapCut. And just like CapCut, which was completely free at first, things can always change later. And here's the final result. You can even choose which version of the image you like best. The image was generated by AI, but if you think it's fake or too good to be true, try it yourself. The results are honestly impressive. I didn't expect it to look this real the first time I used it. It's simple, free, and gives you results that look like they were edited by a pro. Now we're going to enhance the quality of the photo. With just a few simple steps, it will look sharper, cleaner, and more professional. Lately, I discovered Michu, Wink, and Airbrush, and the results are insane. They turn regular photos into pro-level images. Airbrush gives you 5 free edits per day, while Michu and Wink offer a few tries before asking you to pay, but they have a UHD upscaler that makes photos look super sharp and clean. To use the magic eraser, you need to sign into the app. It's free, and the results are unbelievably good. It's crazy how well it removes things. It feels like magic, but it actually works. Tap before and after to see the results. You'll be surprised how big the difference is. We'll quickly go through some of the features Hypic offers. The Cutout feature lets you separate the subject from the background with one tap. It works fast and accurately, perfect for creating transparent images or placing your subject on a new background. Now let's take a closer look at some of the other tools available in the Hypic app. We're not going into every single detail, but I want to give you a quick overview of what this app is really capable of, from powerful AI tools that can expand or enhance your images to background removal, skin retouching, and even smart filters. There's a lot packed into this one app. It's honestly impressive how much you can do here with just a few taps, so let's quickly scroll through and see what else you can find inside. There are also effects that can turn your photo into a cartoon or drawing with just one tap. It's super fun and actually looks really cool, perfect if you want to create something unique for your profile picture or just play around with different styles. There are various effects available, like turning your photo into an oil painting, or even creating a Studio Ghibli-style artwork. You can explore different styles to completely transform your image into something unique, whether you're going for a classic look or a more artistic vibe. These effects give you plenty of options to experiment with. At the end, there are instant options for expanding your images and several other cartoon effects you can try out. These features are perfect if you want to quickly transform your photo with just a tap, offering you even more creative possibilities to play with. And that's it for today's quick guide on hypic. As you can see, this app offers so many cool tools and effects to really elevate your photos. Whether you're looking to add some artistic flair or simply enhance your images, there's something here for everyone. Don't forget to explore these features and see what works best for you. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.